Good morning, ma'am. My today presentation topic is Python pandas. So, what is pandas in Python? Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has a function for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name pandas is reference to both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by U.S. McKinney in 2008. Why we use pandas? Pandas allows to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. So pandas can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Also, relevant data is very important in data science. What can pandas do? So pandas give you answer about the data like is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value? What is max value? What is minimum value? Also, able to delete row that are not relevant or containing wrong values like empty or null values. So this is called also cleaning the data. So moving ahead in Python pandas, let us take an example that will help you to understand this concept better. So example is, suppose I am to admission department and I'm getting a student for MS. So what is GPA percentage? Here GRE score. In order to study abroad, we have to raise GRE. Higher the score, better is TOEFL score, test for English language. Why do you want to get college? SOP. Pupil teacher who recommended you, letter of recommendation. Research, university ranking. Based upon these criteria, they admit the student or take a file which got data for all students, their GRE, GPA and TOEFL. Then I will plot histogram correlation and scatter plot. So let us start. First, how to import file or upload the file. So you need to tell the first import that file in your port so that you can use it. After that, if you own Python file you want to import, you can use the import statement as follows. The code for import file, upload file. So from Google Colab, import file, upload it equals to files dot upload and a bracket. So let us see how it's exactly code is running. So we write a code from google.colab, import file, choose file, upload. We start the folder. So we'll give two options, choose file or cancel upload. Then we select choose file. We'll open a computer document and give file name, and we select file names. So we get a file admission predict version 1.1 CSV. So after that, how to read the file? Rename the columns, dropping the columns, find the information that we use in Python with the help of pandas to show the data. So what is the code that I use to fetch out this information? First, we put code from colab.google colab, import file, upload equals to file.upload. So this the command give the file name. After that, import pandas spd function, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, making graphs. For read file, we use df is equal to pd.read csv, and a bracket the file name is admission underscore protect underscore version 1.1.csv. Then we print df.shape. After that we want info, so that df.info. If we want to drop one row, so df is equal to df.drop serial number comma x is equal to 1. Then df.info will give to drop the serial number row. After that, new names, when if you want to replace the names, so we replace name from GRE score to GRE, TOEFL to TOEFL, university rating to rating, SOP to SOP. Similarly, chance of admit colon chance. The code for using replace df renames column equals to new names in place condition true. So this code give a result that the file which use admission predict version 1.1.csv, the data in a file is serial number, GRE score, TOEFL score, university rating, the counts, the data exactly, and data type integer or float. After that we drop the serial number row by using code df is equal to df.drop serial number comma x is equals to 1. Then found a result, the serial number rows is missing out here. Then we rename the data into column equals GRE score equals to GRE and TOEFL score equals to TOEFL, chance of admit equals to chance. Then found result, the names are changed. So that's the code exactly running. After that, how to make the histogram by using it. So hist list equals to GPA, GRE score, TOEFL score, SOP, LOR, research, rating, chance. So df the bracket hist list dot hist fixed size equals to 14,9 to give a size of our histogram. Plot dot savefetch, the file name contains trend.png, and plot dot show. So the result will give the histogram of different data GPA, GRE, TOEFL, SOP, chance, research, rating. After that, how to make the histogram using for loop. So we will put a condition of for loop for in range 0,8 colon print column comma df dot columns and bracket I hist1 equals to df dot column df hist1 dot hist and plot dot show. So again the histogram is make column GRE, TOEFL, SOP and rating. Also we make the scatter plot graph. So for scatter plot graph, the code is exactly df dot plot kind equals to scatter, x equals to GRE and y equals to chance. Plot dot x label GRE and plot dot y label GRE of admit. Plot dot show So give a result when we're running the code. The scatter plot is draw. That is how exactly see the scatter plot. Also we use SOP and chance of admit for making the scatter plot graph. If we use for loop to make the scatter plot graph, the code is the plot relation between chance and other features. For I in range 0, 8 colon df dot plot kind equals scatter x equal to df dot columns I comma y equals to chance plot dot x label df dot columns plot dot y label chance plot dot save pick content plus scatter plus col1 plus png. Then plot dot show gives the result a scatter plot graph by using for loop. So these are the graphs we make. We make the file by using pandas, etc. Thank you.